everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing, this time for November of 2022, and of course we've got Ipsy. The bag's already open. I kind of took a sneak peek when I was out and about, so let's get on into it. Just remember, I use the zoom on my camera and reader glasses to be able to see fine details because I am visually impaired. Okay, ta-da! There you go, this month's bag. First of all, let's look at the card here. Creature Comforts. Well, I kind of assumed that since we got a leopard print. Personally, not my taste, but I know plenty of people whose it is, and I will gladly share it with them. Inside the card, all the items and their prices, then something on here about Black Friday shopping. There's probably percentage off or something. You can pause to read that if you like. Toss. Okay, so 2 items were outside the bag because they were too big. One was a brush, and the barrel is extremely round. Here we go. Where are you from? Let's get a little closer with air it extra dry. I can't. But you could. I'm thinking that's Farena. I don't know. But it's a 405. And it kind of looks and feels like a rabbit's foot. Still on the rabbit. Not those creepy things from the 90s. Or pre-now. But yeah, it feels very nice. I'm thinking it's like a corner shader or something. I'm not 100% sure, but I like how the barrel is. Like, it's very sturdy. Almost feels like a paintbrush barrel. I mean, technically, these are paintbrushes, but at the same time, like, you know, for artistry. All right, we're just going to set that down over there. The other item outside of it was Murad, which coincidentally enough, I watched a channel, Alexandra, who I think got the same exact thing in the Ipsy Advent calendar for this year. And of course, big box to tell you all the ingredients and items inside, and tiny little squeezy tube. I have never used a Murad product, and I'm usually not using other face products than what I have. But let's zoom a little bit further and find out what this is. Oh, it's an eye cream. Oh, everybody can use an eye cream. Especially at our ages. Well, 3 hydrators. If anybody doesn't know, I am Gen X. I am in my 40s. Early 40s. So I need an eye cream. But everybody should have one. Okay. Zoom. I will attempt to zoom back out. Okay, there we go. Alright. I should have sewed the bag first, but meh. Alright. Kind of like how they did this. It is just I want to say leopard. Could be jaguar. Not 100% sure. The zipper pull is just our classic Ipsy button. Weep. And inside, just a nice beige color. Alright, let's see what we got inside. We got Naked Cosmetics, and we have a eyeshadow pigment. Doesn't say the name anywhere, does it? Pressed eyeshadow pigment. Desert Sunset. Okay. It is a very large pan of it. Pigments. They're pigments. It's been a while since we got a Naked. I could see that being an all-over lid color. Yeah. Yeah. It's a very nice champagne-y, like bronzy. I love how like none of us can ever describe what exactly we're seeing. I don't know how many YouTube videos you've watched of beauty gurus, but like Yeah, it's kind of champagne-y, a little bronzy. Oh my goodness. All right, so next item is a squeezy tube. Barefoot Venus. Usually these are lotions. I'm going to have to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, we got Eiffel Tower on there. We got something here. Ruby red. Oh, ruby red. And a barefoot girl. Yes. Classic Hollywood style. 50s, I'm thinking. I don't know for sure. But this is a... Macadamia body cream. And that's French. Macadamia body cream. Hey, look, there's a QR code. Give that a scan if you want. Scan for a free add-on. I don't know what that means. Maybe for Ipsy? I don't know. That's new to me. Alright, it's just lotion, so... Is it open already? Yes, it is. Oh, that smells lovely. Oh, well, now we gotta use it. You know, when I saw the name Ruby Red, I was sitting there thinking, the only thing I know of that's called Ruby Red is grapefruit. But now smelling this, I don't know if I psyched myself up or what, but oh, it smells almost like citrusy grapefruit. So, I mean, my hands need a little bit of lotion. I'm sure you guys could tell me. The back of my hand here is so soft. And this is a body cream. I can imagine. Oh, so lovely. All right, last item in the bag was an item I picked. Juicy Couture. Something bee. Honeybee? Honeybee. It's a candle. They gave us a whole bunch of pics of makeup and whatnot, but I saw this and I didn't remember what Juicy Couture smelled like. Let's just say it's very nice and fruity. I remember someone describing it a long time ago as fruit stripe gum. If you ever had that. By the way, you could pick either this one or the original Juicy Couture smell. And it was also in the advent calendar. Not to spoil anything, but I did. Let's see here. Does it show us how I mean, like, you could see how big this is, and the candle is almost all the way to the top of the container a little bit, so this much. Very, very nummy smelling. Okay, so it says it's a soy candle here. It's a fine fragrance. Wild honey, creamy vanilla, and orange blossoms. And let me tell you what. Yeah, 100%. That is lovely. Let's see here. Does it... Oh, it got even smaller. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to see like how big the candle is, but here we go. If I do that, you can pause. Hold on. Let me go back a little further. You can pause and you can check it out. You can use a zoom on your phones and whatnot. Or even scan that there in the Google Lens and find out. But, this smells so good. I'm really glad I picked it. I'm going to be sad when it's all gone. But, oh, that's a great smell. So, what do you think about this month's bag? Oh, by the way, instead of just popping on and off, it screws on. So you could take this traveling with you if you wanted to, like into your hotel rooms. So what do we think about this month's bag? Not too heavy on the makeup. A little disappointed about that because I usually have it set up that I don't get a lot of like other things. But this one I picked, so that's on me. So we got a brush, which always can use some new brushes, an eyeshadow, a eye cream, a body cream, and a candle. Not too bad. Do I think it's worth the price again? I don't know. Murad's kind of an expensive brand, so it's possible that it's close to the price of the bag, which is down in the description below. But other than that, it's okay. I'm still going back and forth about whether or not I'm going to keep doing Ipsy. Okay, then let's take a look at these prices. We've got the Murad eye cream. This is a deluxe sample. Usually eye creams are kind of small. The full price is $86 for 0.5 ounces. If it's good, it's going to cost you. All right, we got the Barefoot Venus Ruby Red hand cream. Why did I think it was a body cream? I don't know. Okay, so deluxe sample, of course. A full-size version of this product, which is 50 milliliters, is $10. Not bad. I mean, it's a hand cream, so why not? All right, we've got the Firma. That's the word I couldn't say. Beauty Precision Angle Blending Brush Pro. It is full size, obviously, and it is a $14 brush, which they usually are. Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigments Eyeshadow in Desert Sunset 04. It is a full size and it is a $15 eyeshadow. Juicy Couture Honey Bee Candle. Deluxe sample, a full-size version of this product of 15 ounces is $35. I don't know how big a 15-ounce candle is because I don't buy candles that often, but it's not bad. I want to say, I don't know. I mean, I don't know how big this is. All right. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.